here I'm just showing you the RPGShow box that I unboxed. Just opening the wig. And there's the wig that we're going to be bleaching the knots on. We're going to bleach the knots around where I just pointed. I'm going to be using B2 bleach and 40 volume developer with a bowl and a little brush, right along with the red toner. I got it all from Sally's. Basically, I can't really explain how much measurements to use. I just basically eyeball it. I've been bleaching knots for so long and dyeing hair. I kind of know, but just go little by little if you're a first timer. So just probably do like one whole one and a half of one. And I say put only a little bit of developer at a time because you want like a thick consistency. I'm going to show you what kind of consistency you will need, just so when you bleaching the knots, it will not seep through the wig and mess up your hair and turn it brown. But I am going to show you my mistakes throughout this video because everyone's not perfect. I also added that red toner just so it won't be like a grassy color. And that's the consistency. Now I just clip the hair out the way just so I won't accidentally dye the hair. And you're going to need some foil with this just so after you're done bleaching, it'll help speed up the process a little more. But if you're a first timer, I suggest you get a developer that is kind of lower than 40 because 40 is kind of quick too. With the foil and traps all that heat in, you have to keep eyeballing it. So first I'm doing around the hairline, and then I'm going to proceed to the middle of the wig. Now I'm at the middle. I'm just showing you what I did. And now I'm going to put the foil over where I bleached the knots just so I can speed up the process a little bit. But you guys are going to see I actually kind of over processed the knots or whatever. So you're going to see what the part is looking like. But you can tell right there that it was kind of lighter than it was supposed to be. I'm going to be using Nairobi neutralizing shampoo, and I'm going to take out all the bleach out first before I start washing it out. Make sure that it's all out. I put a lot of neutralizing shampoo in. I usually do 2 washes. That's how I basically get all of the bleach out and make sure it's out. So 2 is fine. And as you can see right here, I over processed the hair, you can tell. Just drain all the water out. Don't use a towel, use a t-shirt. It's less friction on the hair. Please treat your wigs and your weave like it's your own. I use Afro G 2-minute reconstruction, and I use Nairobi's conditioner. And I use a plastic cap and a comb. I'm just combing through the hair. And then I put the Afro G on. It's just basically a conditioner. And then I put the Nairobi on it. And I'm going to be rubbing it all throughout the wig, including where I bleached the knots on the inside. Comb it through, and then I put the cap on as well. Now we're going to put it in the microwave. This is a fast process. You put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. That's like a deep conditioner, because you know when we deep condition our hair, we have heat on our hair when we put caps on and stuff, so it automatically gets hot. And I let it air out for probably like 5 minutes because it's really smoking hot. If you can see that steam. Then I wash the conditioner out and comb it with cold water, as I would do with my real hair. And the hair was so soft and silky after this deep conditioner. Just drain all the water out and dry it off with a t-shirt. I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in and the hair milk conditioner and a Revlon hair dryer and a comb and a brush and my mannequin head so I can dry the wig. So you can see right here, it doesn't look too noticeable where I messed up at. I only got 3 strands of hair. And I just make sure it's all detangled out before I blow dry it. And I only put like a penny size of that hair milk by Cream of Nature. And I just make sure I get all the strands of hair. And I'm just using T-pins so the wig can stay in its place while I'm blow drying it. Now this was the hardest thing because I left my hair stand at my parents' house, so I had to just make do with just putting it on the countertop and trying to dry from there. It took a while, but I was able to dry. But I'm just fixing the part where I want it. It's like a kind of a deep side part. And I just blow dried the part just so it can stay before I blow dry the rest of the hair. And then I wanted like my hair going back kind of, so I blow drying and combing it back, and then it's almost dry, so I was just basically drying the rest of the wig. And then I blow dry the inside to make sure it was dry, so I can go ahead and pluck and style it. And there you go. You can barely see it's not noticeable really. I just put my wig on a mannequin head. I'm showing y'all the hairline of how it looks now. I'm using angled tweezers and a paddle brush. Plucking process, I can't really explain it. It's just you have to see it for yourself, only because it's really hard to explain and it's very repetitive. So that's why this video is super short, but basically just try to pluck the hairline how you would want your hairline to be, or mimic your hairline on the wig. So I'm just basically parting a little bit, a few inches from the hairline, and plucking the hair, plucking the front of the hairline, and so forth. But I've got a lot of hair. Stay tuned for next part of this series of me styling and putting the wig on my head. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video.